What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a Minecraft bee. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page we're going to draw a large rectangle for the body. Let's start from the top left. We're going to draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right to right about there. Now I want to round out the top corners. So we're going to bring this around and then down on both sides. Let's come straight down towards the bottom of the body and then line that up on the right. Now I want to round out the bottom corners and go straight across towards the right and then round that out. Let's separate this rectangle in half. So from the top we're going to leave a small gap, come all the way down towards the bottom. Now along the bottom I just want to bend this in towards the left, go up to the top and do the same thing. Now on the left side we're going to draw in the eyes. Let's start from the top. We're going to come in. Let's draw that same length line over on the right. We're just going to line that up. Come straight down towards the bottom. And then go straight out. Let's add a small square highlight along the top left side of each eye. And we're going to move to the center and draw the mouth, coming down and then up. Now switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. Let's move up to the top. We're going to add the antennas, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left. We're going to draw a straight line coming down. And I just want to create a square on the left and then line that up on the right side. Now from the top left side of each square, we're going to go straight up towards the top, go all the way out towards the end, and then on the left we're going to come down and back in on top of the head. Let's add in the wings. From this point we're going to leave a gap, start with the one on the right, go up with an angled line. I'm just going to round this out, go out towards the outside, round at the end, and then follow that same angle coming back in on top of the body. Let's take that wing and flip it over on the left. So we're just going to line this up, going up and out. And we want to go up to the same height, round at the end, going out towards the side, round at the tip of the wing, and then pull that back in. Now let's draw the legs across the bottom. In the center of the head, we're going to move over towards the right, angle this down and out. Let's flatten off the bottom, and then pull that back up and then in. Let's leave a small gap and do that again. Add two more legs going across towards the back. Now let's draw the hind leg. We're going to step over, draw that same length line coming down, go across and then up. Now you see two more feet in behind, so we're just going to line up the bottom, going out, pull that back up, and do that one more time. Now let's go to the body and add those stripes. We're going to start on the top right side, step in, start by curving this around, straight down and bend that in. Let's leave a small gap, draw another one coming down, and leave a slightly larger gap for that second stripe. Let's do that one more time. Now let's sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a bee from Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.